Are you struggling as a day trader? Yeah, you. Yeah, I'm talking to you. If you are, hopefully this video will help you in one way to actually overcome those struggles and start to become a profitable trader. Now, my name is Jason. I've been day trading for 23 plus years, and I just want to pass my knowledge on to others. So let's jump right into this video. But real quick, down below in the description, I have a free ebook of my #1 day trading strategy, and also my video course, Day Trading Made Easy. Use coupon code 200 for 200 off. So let's get right into it. What is one thing that could help you with your own day trading? I'll tell you right now. That one thing is, if your very first trade of the day is a winner, shut the thing down. Take your profits and actually move on. Okay? Go enjoy the day, do whatever. Don't go and give the money back. Don't go and make more trades and get greedy. For me, I've learned one of the best things that I could do for my own personal trading was, if I win my very first trade, I shut the thing down. Okay, let's say I'm looking to make 200 bucks and that first trade is a winner. I make my 200, my setup happens, I shut the thing down. Guess what? I'm not giving that money back. I lived in Vegas for years, and I watched so many friends and people come into town. The very first night, they make all this money. Second day, they go on a cold streak, and then they end up giving everything back they made the first night and even more. And then by the end of the weekend, they blew all their money. Okay? Or they could have taken that money and enjoyed the rest of the week. But I get it. It's an addiction. It's a dopamine hit, right? Ooh, I need that action. No, you don't. Real day traders who really understand what they're doing only need 1 or 2 good trades. I trade one product mainly, S&P futures. I don't need 50 stocks. I don't have a watch list. I trade one thing and I master that one thing. I've been doing the S&P futures for 17 plus years. Every single day I look at that. I know that like the back of my hand. And so I've looked at my trading data and went back and go, hey, where can I become a better trader? And I start to realize, if my first trade is a winner, shut the thing down and then go enjoy the day. What's the point of riding the roller coaster all day? Okay, it's kind of like, give me my money, I'm done, and move on. So hopefully this video helps. I know there's a lot of people out there struggling, and my passion is to pass my knowledge on to you guys, because I've been there. I know what it's like to struggle as a day trader. I did it in my early years, but after 23 plus years, you pretty much figure the game out. And you also understand 90% of it's up here. It's all mental. How is your head, right? Don't make stupid mistakes. And that's why, if your first trade's a winner, shut the thing down, okay? Because that is less things that could go wrong. So hopefully this video helps. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys are actually struggling with in your own trades, and maybe I'll make a video of it. Till next time, peace.